India, land of diverse cultures and traditions, is currently celebrating several harvest festivals. Yesterday marked Lodi and today marks Makar Sankranti and Pongal, each being celebrated with all its glory, with the unique customs and traditions. On behalf of NDTV, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Sankranti, Bihu and Pongal. Ratnadeep Chaudhary is catching up on all the Bihu action. Take a look at his report.
Here wishing all our viewers on NDTV network best wishes from Assam on Magh Bihu. We are coming to you from Japurigog area of Guwahati, where people have gathered in large number to celebrate Bhogali or Magh Bihu, the main harvest festival of Assam. This is the time when people actually gather with friends and family. They go to their native villages and they soak in the fervor of Bhogali Bihu celebration, where people get together with friends and family to usher in the new year and the beginning, the end of the harvest season rather. And you can see here people have now set on fire the Bhela Ghor. The Bhela Ghor is a place where last night people have gathered with friends and family to have the grand feast, the grand community feast, which is known as Uruka, with all traditional delicacies on the menu. And in the morning, after taking as after sunrise, people gather to set the Bihu bonfire. You can see here, this is the Bhela Ghor where people actually celebrate. And if I can ask my camera person to pan to the other side, here is the Meji, or the traditional Bihu bonfire, which is part of the traditions in Assam. Remember, this is the first Bihu celebrations in Assam after last year's tragic death of Zubin Garg. So therefore, somewhere this time the celebrations have been rather muted, given the fact that Zubin Garg has been part and parcel of the Bihu celebration in Assam for decades. His musics have been part and parcel of the Bihu celebration. You can see here on the NDTV screen how the traditional bonfire has been set, and people are praying to the Almighty for peace and prosperity in the state of Assam. From Guwahati with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.